Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use a Cash App card on PrizePicks, and you can see here guys they have a multiple options: Visa, credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Discover, all of this, right? PayPal, Venmo, you name it. So there's no Cash App card mentioned, but it's the same way. Okay, same process how you use your credit or debit card. It's the same process. So what you do is you log into your PrizePicks account, and then you tap on the deposit button, and then you just choose your Cash App card as a payment method, and you just enter the card details normally. The card number, the expiration date, CVV, right? And then at the end, you just go ahead and, review the details and confirm that the deposit was actually correct, and you just finalize the transaction, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.